tayo ng fit for human consumption and good quality.
He also clarified that this rice is sourced from the harvest of Filipino farmers and not imported.
These are all local, galing sa NFA. Alam natin na mandato ng National Food Authority ay mamili sa mga lokal na magsasaka. Wala itong imported.
As of today, only senior citizens, single parents, persons with disabilities, and beneficiaries of the government's 4-piece program can avail themselves of the 29 pesos per kilo rice.
Dito sa P29, ang target natin are the vulnerable sectors. Approximately mga 30% yan ng total population natin. About 6.9 million households or families. About 34 million individuals.
ASEC de Mesa mentioned that the Department of Agriculture plans to expand the program to major urban centers nationwide, including the Visayas and Mindanao.
Yun nga ang goal natin na mapalawak natin to hanggang hindi lang hanggang 10 or basta kung kaya na maganda ng sistema, papalaki na natin.
After nito, magkakaroon kami ng assessment ng aming demand, supply, logistics, and other issues, yung mga administrative concerns. So, pag nakita na natin na mag-o-okay na tayo to expand to more areas, to more days, we'll announce kung kailan yon. But definitely, we'll do it dahan-dahan para masigurado natin na meron tayong enough critical information to say na we are ready to expand, we are ready to provide additional number of days para maiwasan yung mga glitches, mga problema.
To maximize the benefit for those in need and align with President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. initiative, the program allows only 5 kilos of rice per person at the Kadiwa centers. The Department of Agriculture aims to ensure that the largest number of those in the vulnerable sectors will benefit from this program. Currently, the large-scale Project 29 trial offering rice at 29 pesos per kilo is available only on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.